Wow, I got a package, Jerry. I don't know. It's for me.
It's a Sandy on it? Oh, sorry.
It's really heavy.
What is it?
Oh.
It is. Open it, Mommy.
It says, I love you.
Could I have the balloon, Mommy?
Can you help me open it?
Sure.
Okay. Wow.
Flowers.
Beautiful. Wow.
Wow. That is really cool, Mom. It's different kinds of flowers in a box.
I love it.
Whoa! That is so incredible.
Yeah, it's
Let's
really
see what it says, Mom. Is it made out of glass?
Yeah. There we go.
Cool.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Uh-huh. What does it say, Mom? Wow. Tell us what it says.
It says, still looking forward to spending the rest of my life with you. Love, your best friend. Oh, thanks, babe. That's so sweet. It's from Daddy. Hey, babe, what day is it? It's our anniversary.
Oh, I was gonna say April 4th.
Yes, it is April 4th also. So it's a Wednesday, and we don't really have time to go out and do something fancy.
Nope.
So we're here at Dog and Suds, which is still pretty good, I think.
That's acceptable.
Yeah, I'm getting a Polish dog. Ben is getting a Texas burger, right?
Yeah.
Don't worry, you don't look like a scrub. You look handsome. Kids are getting their hot dogs. Say hi.
Hi.
Mhm.
Hi.
And then hopefully maybe we can do something fun on the weekend. Like just adult fun type of thing. Or just the adults is what I mean. That's what I meant.
I'm down for either one or both.
Right, we're gonna eat now.
Bye.
Well, that doggy.
Yeah,
Ow, ow, ow.
the doggy had to go.
Doggy?
Yeah. Did you make friends in Panera?
Yeah.
Yeah? They say bye to you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Muffin.
Hi guys, it's the next morning. We're at Ben's work. Just got some Panera and Starbucks. Because we were rushing out this morning, I got Yuri ready for school. And I got her out on time, but we were kind of rushing to Ben's work and didn't have much time to eat breakfast. So today we did Panera and Starbucks. Gideon was very excited about his muffin. Muffin. We're just waiting for Ben to get out, to step out of work so that I can give him his stuff. Here he comes. Hi.
Good morning.
Yeah, I know. I'm the best wife ever.
Yes, you are.
Here you go.
Thank you, baby.
Love you.
Bye.
Mwah.
Gotta go.
Bye.
We're busy.
Yeah.
Bye, buddy.
Let's go.
Package. All right. Carry it up for me. I'm about to open a package I just got from that flower shop. I think it was supposed to get here yesterday. Ben was like, are you sure it was just flowers? We kept looking into the package because he wouldn't tell me what it was supposed to be. But he said he was going to call this morning to make sure that I got the package. So that's what I'm about to open up right now. Let's see. Let's see.
A box?
Wow.
What's in it, Mommy?
Your gift message here.
What?
100% smile guaranteed. Berrylicious by fruitbouquets.com.
Here.
Is there any more tape on it? Nope.
Ooh, what's in it? Black. Whoa, that is so delicious.
Yeah?
Yeah. Can we have one, Mommy? Have one.
Sure.
Have one, Mommy. Mmm.
How is it?
Mmm, good.
Delicious.
Mmm. Well, look at that giant one. Are you going to eat that one?
I guess so. Thank you, Ben.
Thank you, Daddy. And little Lucky. Okay, Lucky. Say thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
So I know what we're going to be eating tonight. Thanks, babe.